Hi everybody! Today we are gonna make pasta e fagioli. So let's see our ingredients today. So of course we have beans. The real pasta e fagioli needs Borlotti beans. We already opened the can and we rinsed it. We have tomato sauce, plain, just tomatoes. We have 1 onion and our pasta. Of course we have salt and extra virgin olive oil and a special ingredients that I never showed you before is my secret spicy extra virgin olive oil. Let's see the tools: a pot, a knife, a ladle and a wooden spoon. And I mix the water to cook the pasta. Let's go. So let's start now chopping the onion, just half. So now let's cover the bottom with extra virgin olive oil in the pot. So as usual, Babbo wants to prepare everything first, so I chop the onion. We have our pot ready to go, but first we need to crush the spaghetti. Yes, maybe you never seen pasta e fagioli with entire spaghetti. So I'm gonna crush the spaghetti in like small pieces. Look, the 2, 3, 4 centimeters. I love this sound. So now we are gonna cook the onion first in the oil. Now I'm gonna tell you a secret. So if you add a little bit of water, you have more chance that your onion don't burn. Our onion is cooking slow in the pot, and when all the water evaporates, we can add our tomato sauce. So our onion is ready to mix with the tomato sauce. It's time to cover the pot and let the tomato cooking for like 10 minutes. See you later. This time we're gonna add salt before. So the water is boiling. I'm gonna add a palmful of salt. So now it's time to add the beans in the tomato sauce. And a little bit of salt in the sauce. Let the beans cook in the tomato sauce for a few minutes. Don't forget to leave the pot open this time. Okay. So the water is boiling. It's time to put the pasta. Okay? Let's go. I choose the wrong pot. Oh shit. Cazzo. Oh, I gotcha! So why I put the pasta in the sauce instead in the water? My friend Marcello told me that when we lived together in India. He made it like that. I did that again at home, and yeah, he was right. It's the best fucking way to make it. So the way to cook the pasta like that is like making risotto. So you will add the water, a scoop at the time when you see the sauce become dry. So of course this way to cook the pasta will be longer than usual, okay? So today it's early, so we have no rush. We can wait in peace. Don't forget to stir it very often, otherwise the pasta starts to stick on the bottom. It's almost ready. So yeah, our pasta now, it passed 15-17 minutes. Okay, so the time for the pasta was 9 to 10, so a little bit less than double the time. It's cooked, I tasted, it's a little bit al dente. So now it's ready! So now it's not finished yet because I'm gonna add my red hot chili peppers olive oil. You can use even the fresh one. I love this because, yeah, of course I made it with my dry peppers. I like it very much in the pasta fagioli. I like it almost everywhere. So the hot olive oil can give a different level to the pasta. It's time to eat. It's time to drink and to say buon appetito! Salute! Let's eat! Pasta e fagioli is meant to be eaten with a spoon.